Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this retro text effect in Canva. So I'm just going to add a text box and I'm just going to type in retro vibes or something like that, and I'm going to select this font here. I'm also just going to make this text a little bit bigger, and I'm going to color it this orange. Go to effects and select outline, and you're going to select like a darker color of the first one. Copy and paste that. Go to effects again and make the thickness to around, let's say 100. And I'm going to make that text darker than the first one, but maybe not this dark, maybe like this dark. Then I'm going to copy and paste that, and I'm going to select a darker color, and I'm going to up the thickness to 150-ish. Copy and paste that, and I'm going to make this even darker, and I'm going to make it like fully like this. Then you're just going to want to add this on top of the text. Don't worry, just select more, go to layer and go to show layers, and make sure this one is at the very top. So you're going to want to turn the layers around so that you'll have the layers like that. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!